everybody, welcome. Sean Gaisley and Jay Gaisley here from the Gaisley Real Estate Group, Century 21 Heritage Group in beautiful Kingston, Ontario. Jay, another fantastic day here. We are at 1882 Sunbury Road and really excited to show you quite an expansive property with more opportunities, I guess, than, well, we have time to mention today. What do you think,
Yeah,
Jay?
it's incredible, Sean. Yeah, so it's a 7-acre property and it's on the shores of Dog Lake, right? So we have access right from this property right out into the entire Rideau System. So your first lake, you know, you go from Dog to Cranberry and then you just keep going. Do you want to go to Kingston? Do you want to go to Ottawa? Do you want to go to Westport? Where do you want to go? You have so many amazing things.
Yeah.
7 acres of property. It's parkland. You know, for some people, they might even think, hey, there's a possibility to sever. And you know what? There probably is a chance to sever another couple of spots off this property. So
Some multi-gen things?
could be multi-gen,
Yep.
you know, events out here. Like it is a parkland setting.
Oh,
We're so pleased to be showcasing this beautiful home.
Yeah, we're really happy that you're here. Thanks for being here. And come on in, we want to show you the rest of the property. Let's go to the front door. All right, so there's a lot more to show you right now. Jay, why don't we go in the house and introduce the rest of it? Come on in.
Idea. Let's go. Thanks, Sean. It's just a great pleasure to be out here today on Dog Lake. We're in a beautiful family room right here. I'm looking at a great gas stove here in the wintertime for cool nights in this beautiful room. Vaulted ceilings. You know, and I look to my right, gorgeous patio door, porch, looking out, nice deck looking out towards the water. It's wonderful. Open concept. Living space for a nice big kitchen, dining room. Tell me some more.
Just cascading with natural light. There's windows everywhere here, so you know it's gorgeous. There's a lot of natural light, which is important. And then there's more. There's a basement that is massive. It's the same size as the upstairs, and we can't wait to show you that as well.
So upstairs we've got 3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms.
Three bedrooms, couple baths. Great spot. Let's go downstairs and have a look.
Sure, let's go. And as promised, we have a recreation room right here that is expansive and it's open to interpretation. Jay, I'm going to challenge you to a ping pong game here after we're done this.
I love it. I got
look at the size
paddles ready to go.
Look at the size of this thing. Anything you want. So come on through.
Yeah, it's a beautiful spot. And Sean, I'm again struck by there's so many great patio doors here. So we had a patio door, leading from the lower level outside. We also, from one of the bedrooms, we have a patio door out, gas stove. We've got a natural gas fireplace downstairs as well. Yeah. So comfortable. Obviously, you can a little workout down here, ping pong, little game, little arcade game over there too. So lots of fun to be had. Great spot down here.
Yeah, fantastic. I'll have a Diet Sprite, please.
There you go. Get that out for you.